Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How you can stay healthy as Ohioflucases ramp up. Ohio is experiencing a spike in flu cases, including a new superbug strain that is spreading across the state. Some of the flu cases are leading to hospitalizations, so it's important to take this flu season seriously. Dr. Bradley Raetzke with OhioHealth provides information on how people can keep themselves and their loved ones safe during this flu season. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.